You know, the harder you try to peel garlic, the longer it seems to take, and that smell lingers for hours. Hi there, it's Nancy. Today I'll show you a simple no-mess way to peel garlic in just seconds. Method 1. Soaking garlic in warm water. If you often cook for family or friends, you know how frustrating it can be to peel a big pile of garlic by hand. But here's a simple trick that makes the skins practically fall off on their own, soaking them in warm water. Start by separating the garlic bulb into individual cloves. Then place them in a bowl and pour in warm water around 120 to 160 degrees, 50 to 77 degrees. Let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll notice the skins begin to wrinkle slightly and loosen from the cloves. That's when the magic happens. When you pick up each clove, the skin will slide right off with just a gentle squeeze. No knife, no smashing, and no mess. Warm water helps soften the outer layer, making it expand slightly and release from the garlic underneath. It also reduces the sharp, pungent smell that usually sticks to your hands. This trick is especially handy when you need to peel several bulbs at once, perfect for parties, family dinners, or when prepping sauces and pickles. Method 2. Peeling garlic by hand with finger pressure. If you only need a few cloves for your meal, this quick little trick is perfect. No water, no tools, and no mess. Just you and your hands. Start by taking one garlic clove and holding it between your thumb and index finger. Gently pinch both ends of the clove, applying a bit of pressure until you hear a soft crack. You'll notice the skin start to separate from the garlic itself. Now, simply use your fingers to pull away the loosened skin. It'll come right off almost effortlessly. This works best with firm, fresh garlic. The natural oils in your hands help release the skin while keeping the clove intact and smooth. It's such a simple trick, but once you try it, you'll never go back to scraping or smashing your garlic again. And the best part, your hands won't smell nearly as strong afterward. I like using this method when I'm just making a quick stir-fry salad dressing or a light garlic butter, anything that doesn't require a large batch. Method 3. Peeling garlic with a plastic bottle cap. Sometimes you come across garlic cloves that are just too big or tough to pinch by hand. When that happens, this clever little trick using a plastic bottle cap will save you time and effort. It's simple, clean, and surprisingly effective. Take a regular plastic bottle cap, the kind from a soda or water bottle works perfectly. Hold a clove of garlic on your cutting board and use the edge of the cap to gently press down and twist across the garlic's surface. You don't need to press hard, just a light, steady motion. You'll see the skin start to loosen and lift away from the clove almost instantly. Once that happens, just pull it off with your fingers and the garlic will pop right out. What's great about this method is that it keeps your hands clean, no sticky fingers, no lingering smell, and no risk of cutting yourself with a knife. It's quick enough to handle a whole bulb of garlic in just a minute or two. I love using this trick when I'm prepping dinner and don't want to fuss with peeling. It's perfect for people who have weaker hands or arthritis too. No squeezing, no pain, just simple, smart kitchen science. With a simple bottle cap, peeling garlic becomes easier than ever, and you might even start to enjoy it. Method 4. Peeling garlic with the knife. If you prefer something quick and simple, this classic method will be your best friend in the kitchen. Start with a whole bulb of garlic. Gently trim off the tough base of each clove just enough to expose the inner flesh. Next, lay the clove flat on the cutting board, place the flat side of your knife on top, and give it a firm press. You'll hear a small crack. That's the sound of the skin separating from the clove. Once it's been lightly crushed, the peel will slide right off with almost no effort. This technique also softens the garlic slightly, making it perfect for mincing or crushing later for sauces, stir-fries, or marinades. It may sound simple, but that's exactly what makes it so satisfying, quick, practical, and effective. You can peel several cloves in under a minute, and that gentle press helps release even more aroma and flavor into your dishes. Just remember, you don't need to press too hard. A light smash is enough. Sometimes the simplest methods truly are the best. Try it once and you'll see why chefs and home cooks alike swear by this trick to peel garlic perfectly in just seconds. Method 5. Shaking garlic in a plastic bottle. If you've ever spent what feels like forever peeling a bowl of garlic by hand, you'll absolutely love this trick. All you need is something you already have at home, a simple plastic bottle. It's quick, clean, and saves so much effort. Start by breaking apart the garlic bulb into individual cloves. Don't worry about removing the outer skins yet. Take a clean, dry plastic bottle. One with a sturdy wall works best, and drop all the cloves inside. Twist the cap tightly, then hold the bottle firmly and start shaking it hard for about 30 seconds. You can also give it a few gentle taps on the countertop while shaking. The friction between the cloves and the bottle walls causes the skins to loosen and peel away on their own. When you open the bottle and pour the cloves out, you'll see most of the skins already separated. Just pick out the clean garlic and you're done. This method is a lifesaver when you need to peel a large amount for cooking, pickling, or making sauces. It's fast, fun, and keeps your hands from smelling like garlic. The best part is that you're reusing something you already have, turning an ordinary plastic bottle into your very own kitchen helper. Method 6. Peeling garlic with the microwave. Sometimes peeling garlic feels like a real battle, especially when the skins are dry and cling tightly to the cloves. But here's a clever little trick that takes only half a minute and does all the work for you. Just use your microwave. Start by separating the garlic bulb into individual cloves and placing them evenly on a clean plate. Try not to stack them. You want each clove to heat evenly. Then put the plate into the microwave, set it to high power, and run it for about 30 seconds. That's it. When the time's up, take the plate out carefully. It'll be warm and let it sit for a few seconds so you don't burn your fingers. Then simply pick up a clove and give it a light squeeze. You'll notice the skin has cracked open and peels right off without any effort at all. The reason this works so well is simple science. The natural moisture inside the garlic turns into steam when heated, creating gentle pressure that separates the skin from the clove. I still remember the first time I had to peel a big bowl of garlic for dinner. I thought it would be quick, but after 10 minutes, my hands were sticky, my fingers were sore, and I hadn't even finished half it. A few days later, my neighbor showed me this simple bottle trick, and I was amazed all the skins came off in seconds. Since then, I've never gone back to peeling garlic the hard way. Your support and kind comments always brighten my day. I read every single one, and I love hearing how you use these tips at home. I hope today's tip brings a little comfort and inspiration to your kitchen. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, and keep finding joy in the simple things you do each day.